Hey, so we were invited to a friend's house for a social gathering and it was requested that I bring my fruit dip. So I thought, what a great opportunity to share this with you. It's the easiest recipe you will ever make, hands down. There are only 3 ingredients, actually only 2, but I added a third for fun. First, we have our marshmallow cream, which is already dairy-free. And then we have our dairy-free cream cheese. And finally, we have some lime essential oil. If you're in a hurry and you have to get this fruit dip made quickly, then the only 2 ingredients that you absolutely need are the marshmallow cream and the cream cheese. If your marshmallow cream comes in a glass jar, you can pop it into the microwave for a couple of seconds and then it'll pop out more easily. But this came in a plastic jar and it's not safe to put plastic in a microwave. The next thing you want to do is take your cream cheese and scoop it on top of the marshmallow cream. And finally, we're going to add the oil. I prefer to use the lime, which is in the citrus family. You can use the orange or the tangerine or the grapefruit. You can also use cinnamon or lavender, whatever oil is safe for consumption. We have found in my family that the citrus flavor tends to be the best. Just look at what fruit you're going to serve with your fruit dip. That'll help you decide. I like to add 4 drops of the essential oil. It gives us the flavor that we are looking for in our family. But if you can keep in mind that these oils are incredibly potent, so start small and do taste tests to see if you like it. That'll help you get the flavor that you're looking for. Now that you have all of your ingredients in your bowl, it's time to take your mixer and mix it up. I've got marshmallow cream flying everywhere. It's perfect. Oh my gosh, that's really good. It always surprises me how good this dip is because it's just so refreshing. It's light, it's airy, it's refreshing. The citrus of the lime is just perfect in this. If you use a different flavor than lime, let me know because I want to hear what your thoughts are and how your recipes come out. Here's the orange. You will be the hit of your party with this fruit dip. Honestly, every time I make this dip, people usually abandon the fruit and just start eating the dip with their forks.